Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be making two scripts. It's going to be for a sunrise sunset script. It'll be a full daytime cycle and you'll be able to change colors on the sunrise and change colors on the sunset. Now, let's get into it. So we're going to start off by making a script in Starter Player Scripts and make it a local script. Rename the script to whatever you want. I'm just going to name it a time HUD script. So this will make the actual clock itself, location and look can be on, it can depend on you. So we're going to start with this quickly. Local players equals game get service players. Local lighting equals game get service lighting. Local player equals players.local player. So this will be the way to create HUD GUI. So this will create our HUD GUI. Local screen GUI equals instance.new. It'll be a screen GUI player GUI. Screen GUI dot name. We're gonna set it to clock HUD. This is up to you. It does not matter very much when you're playing the actual game. So next we're gonna go down here. We're gonna make a label and a update loop. So local label equals instance.new. We're gonna make a text label. We're gonna make the label size udem2.new. We're gonna make it 0, 200, 0, 40. What did I do here? Oh, udem2.new. Label.position. We're gonna set this to. We're gonna set it to udem2.new. We'll go 0.5, negative 100, 0, 20. This will be the top middle itself of the screen. Label.background transparency. We'll set it to 0.5. Label.background color 3. We'll set this to color 3 from RGB 0, 0, 0. You can change this to whatever color you would like. Label.text color 3. We'll set that to color 3.new 1, 1, 1. Label.font. We're gonna set to enum font.gotham bold. So most of this stuff, it's up to you. You do it as you want. Sorry about that. We don't need the comma there at the end. Okay, so next we're gonna go to label.text size. We're gonna set it to 24, again changeable. Label.text is equal to 00, 00. So that'll just be a 12-hour clock or 24-hour. You are able to change it. Okay, so next we need the update loop. So this one's going to be a bit longer. It's going to be game, get service, run service, dot render stepped, connect function. So it'll be local hour equals math.floor, lighting dot clock time. local minutes equals math dot floor lighting dot clock time dot minus hour. And then we're gonna, oh wait, hang on, we're gonna want this, and we're gonna want 60. Okay, so once we have that down, we're gonna want label dot text equals string dot format. This one's gonna be a bit more confusing. It's gonna be percent 0 to D. Percent 0 to D. Hour, minutes. So that's done with the timemod script. When we load in, there should be a thing at the middle. Or not. Value of type string cannot be converted to a number. So did I screw something up? String format, percent 0 to D. 0 to D. Hour, minutes. Hang on. I'll be back once I figure this out. Alright, two things I actually forgot on this. Label.parent, we're going to set that to screen GUI. And then text size, it's not text size, sorry about that, it's text. So now, hypothetically speaking, I hope this works. Which it does. So it's showing that the time is 14:30, which means it is 2:30 p.m. Next, we are going to do the light cycle script. So in the server script service, make a server script and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it light cycle or day-night cycle. Okay, delete everything. And this one is going to be a lot longer of a script just because of everything we need to do about it. Local lighting equals game get service lighting. Local run service equals game get service run service. Alright, so these are going to be the settings that are changeable. So local day length equals 1440. This will just mean a full 24 minutes is going to be a day. So this will be seconds for a full 24-hour day. So this means that 1440 seconds is going to turn into 24 minutes, 60 seconds a minute, obviously. Local sunrise time equals 6. This will be the time that the sunrise color is on. Local sunset time, we're going to set that to 18. Same thing when the sunset time happens. Local sun intensity day equals 2. Local sun intensity night equals 0.2. So now we're going to move on to the initialize and go lighting dot clock time equals, I'm just going to start my game at 12, and we're going to go lighting dot brightness and set that to sun intensity day. Lighting dot outdoor ambient is going to be color 3 dot from RGB 200 200 200 200. So now we're going to work on the atmosphere. So this one's going to be a bit longer. Local atmosphere is going to be equal to lighting. Find first child, which is going to be atmosphere. or instance dot new atmosphere lighting. So this will be, if you don't have atmosphere already, it's going to create a new atmosphere. So basically, this is the atmosphere. You can change it settings, but this script will automatically do that. Atmosphere dot name equals atmosphere, obviously. Atmosphere dot density equals 0.3. Atmosphere dot offset equals 0.25. Atmosphere dot glare equals 0.1. Atmosphere dot haze, we're gonna set that to 0.1, and atmosphere dot color equals color 3 dot from RGB 255 255 255. Now obviously you guys can change this from RGB to from hex, which will be a hex code instead of RGB. Now that we're done with that, we're going to do color lerp. Don't ask me what that word means, I just learned it today. But I knew the script itself. Local function lerp color C1, C2, alpha. Return color 3 dot new. Okay, so it gets interesting. We're gonna go down one. C1 dot R plus C2 dot R dash space dash C1 dot R. Go out of the parentheses times alpha. And then a comma. So now we go down, do that again, C1 dot G. We want it G this time. So we do C2 dot G. Sorry, we forgot the plus. C2G dash C1G. That go the dot alpha and then a comma again. Now we go art, so because it's going to be RGB, it's going to be B now, C1 dot B plus C2 dot B dash C1 dot B. Go on the other side times alpha. We don't need a comma now. So now that that's done, we're done with the color lerp. So now here's the final part of the script, but it's also the largest and most annoying part of the script. It's going to be the main loop and atmosphere color and brightness. So main loop plus atmosphere color and brightness. Oh, alright. So let's go run service dot heartbeat connect, and then we're gonna go function DT. This will be the smooth clock update, so it's gonna be local delta equals 24 dash day length, and then times that by dt. And we're gonna go lighting dot clock time equals lighting dot clock time plus delta. Then we want to go if lighting dot clock time. And we're gonna go this 24 then. So just do alligator as I learned in school and the equal sign. So now we go lighting dot clock time equals lighting dot clock time dash 24. Now we go below this end. Local hour equals lighting dot clock time. So now we get to the actual brightness itself. If our alligator equals sunrise time and our, can I please do this, other way alligator sunrise time plus 2, then local alpha equals math.sin hour dash sunrise time go out /2 math.pi. Now, since I will have the thing in the description, I would just suggest going for that so you don't screw anything up. Alright. So we want to add a parenthesis here on this and one more parenthesis right here. Sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna go atmosphere dot color equals lerp color 3 dot from RGB. We're gonna want to go 255 255 255. Sorry, not 255. 250. We're gonna want to go 55 120 0. Then we're gonna want to go. I don't know why there's 2 here. Where am I? We're gonna want to go color 3 from RGB. 255 255 255 here. Then we're gonna go boom, alpha, boom. So that'll be these 2 in parentheses, and then this will go on the outside. So then we're gonna go lighting dot brightness equals sun intensity day times alpha plus sun intensity night times -1 alpha. Did I do that right? Oh. 1 minus alpha. Next we're gonna need to do that like 15 more times. Lighting dot outdoor ambient equals lerp color 3 dot from RGB hang on, from RGB 100 80 60, and then we're gonna want to go, I don't know why I got rid of that, comma color 3 dot from, color 3 dot from RGB. Going to do this again, 200 200 200 comma alpha. Okay, now we just need the lighting fog end. Okay, so lighting dot fog end equals 800 plus 200 times alpha. Hang on. Okay, so now we're gonna go else if our alligator equals sunset time -2 and our other alligator sunset time, then basically just gonna do all this again. Local alpha equals math.sin hour minus or dash sunset time -2 boom /2 doom math.py. And then we're going to want this. Let me make sure I did all that. Yep, okay. Next line is going to be atmosphere.color equals lerp color 3 dot from RGB, hang on, 255, wait, 255, comma, color 3 dot from RGB 255 80 0 alpha. Lighting dot brightness equals sun intensity day, asterisk 1 dash alpha plus sun intensity night asterisk alpha. Intensity night. Lighting dot outdoor ambient equals lerp color 3 dot from RGB 200, comma, color 3 dot from RGB 80, Jesus, I can't talk today, 50, comma, alpha. Now I'm gonna go lighting dot fog end equals 1000 dash 200 times alpha. Okay, now I'm gonna go down else if our alligator equals sunrise time plus 2 and our other alligator sunset time dash 2 then. Okay, so that forces it back. We're gonna need to go a little bit less, so this is gonna be the daytime. We'll just strictly say that atmosphere dot color equals color 3 dot from RGB 255 lighting dot brightness equals sun intensity day, lighting dot outdoor ambient equals color 3 dot from RGB 200, and we'll make the lighting dot fog end equal 1000. Else it's going to be night now. We're gonna go atmosphere dot color equals color 3 dot from RGB 50 80. Lighting dot brightness, we're gonna need this again, equals sun intensity night. Lighting dot outdoor ambient equals color 3 dot from RGB 50 60. I don't know what to do. That's, so now we go down. I don't know why this is double parentheses, but we just need lighting dot fog end equals 700, and you're done. So I hope and pray that this works. In which it doesn't. Okay, so it's something on the 18th line. So 18, it's going to be atmosphere.name. Atmosphere. Oh, that's why. You need parentheses in between these. Hope and pray this works now, because we had no other output. Yes. So now the script is working. I have it at 1 second per. You can see the sun a tiny bit is moving. So that's it for this video. If you'd like me to do any other scripts or any other tutorials on anything, please let me know in the comments. If you have any bug fixes, I can help with those as well. That's it for this video. Have a good one.